So guys, लास्ट हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ था hello java. So we have to print the hello java in my last video, but now we will start the methods. So we have four types of method like non-return type, return type, parameterize and non-parameterize. But now we have to use we have to perform the some non-return type methods. Like suppose we have to creating in a one class calculator demo. So in calculator demo we have to perform, first of all we creating a main method, then we have to creating non-return type method. So we have to when the perform the non-return type, so we use to void means non-return type. When we perform the non-return type method, yeah, when we creating in a method as a non-return type, then we use to void, then method name will be addition. So that method will be non-return type and non-parameterized. So suppose we have to write like int a equal to 20, int b equal to 30, then int c equal a plus b, then output will be c. So if you want to, that method will be called, so that method will be non-static. That method is a non-static. So last class we will discuss कि static method is directly initiated with the class name, but non-static method to call with the help of class object. So if you want to call that method, then you will create the object of a class. So first of all, compiler will be move in the main method, so that's why we will create an object of a class in main method. So first of all we have to use like calculator demo, then we have to new keyword. By using new keyword we can create an object of a class, then object will be then assigned in the obj variable, and obj will be type is a calculator demo. So now we have creating an object of a class, object of a class. Then by using obj dot we can call the addition method. So that type we have to call the method and output will be 50. So suppose you have another method like public void subtraction. So subtraction like int a equal to 30, int b equal 20 and int c equal a plus a minus b. So output will be c. So now you can call obj dot subtraction. So if you want to call then output will be 50, that's the addition, and that output will be subtraction. You also concat the value like subtraction is, then output suppose plus addition is. So if you want to run the program, then output will be addition is 50 and subtraction is 10. So that type of we have to calling the method, we are calling the non-static method by using object of a class. So that's the non-return type and non-parameterized method. So but there is last my first lecture we have to cover variables, local variables and global variables. So that variable is a local and same that variable is also local. So one integer type of variable to cover the to consume the 4 bytes. So there is the 4 byte, 4 byte and 4 byte, or total byte will be taken 12 bytes, and same 12 byte is taken by the subtraction method. So total completely byte will be taken 24 bytes. Because that's the local variable, so that's why we have to again creating the a variable and define the integer type. But this variable we will initialize at the globally at the class level like int a comma b comma c. So now we have to remove int, and same variable a and b and c variable we will call inside a inside a class. We can say globally variable we can call inside a method, outside the method, but inside a class. So that method will be the global variable, or we can say instance variable. Instance variable. So this is the, that's the global variable, that's the non-static and So the non-static variable, and we can say non-return type and non-parameterized variable. That's the object of a class, and by using object we can calling the methods in a class. So that's the completely we have to discuss is there non-return type and non-parameterized method. So my next video we will cover the topic return type and parameter.